Okay, for those of you all who are familiar with my channel, you know probably that I've just recently purchased this 1981 Oldsmobile 98 Regency with the infamous Oldsmobile 350 diesel. Car's in great shape. I absolutely love it. A lot of you may realize from my older videos that I used to have a 1981 Delta 88 with the diesel engine. I sold that car almost 8 years ago in 2011 to a buddy of mine. And you may be wondering what happens to it. Well, there it is. A buddy came down this morning, about a 2-hour drive from where he lives, and brought it down so that we could have a reunion of two operating 1981 Oldsmobile Diesels in the same place at the same time, which we figure is a very small chance of that being able to happen in 2019, because there aren't many of these left running. So anyway, to prove that they both run, Jeremy, why don't you go over and crank one of them, and then we'll crank the other one. And you can have 5.7 diesel in stereo. There's one of them. And we'll just go get a quick back view as well. Well, we'll stop and get an interior view. The 88. And the 98. And it sure does smell good in here right now. And there you go, just a fun little video. Thought somebody might be interested in seeing.